Best Values Cleaning Tabs, 120 count of espresso maker tablets, compared to smaller pack, sachet, packets, liquid solution, powder, and other flush products. Wide range of compatibility. Active espresso machine cleaning tablet compatible with semi and super auto coffee espresso machines including Breville Oracle Touch, Bambino, Lelit, Belezza, Profitec, ECM, Rocket, E61, Gaggia Classic, Rancilio, Cafetto, Cafiza, Urnex, Gaggenau, Phillips Saeco XS 3000, Lavazza, Cino Cleano. Concentrated Cleaning Formula. Active espresso machine cleaner penetrates coffee oils, grime, calcium, limescale group head, valves, lines of your espresso machine. Essential decalcifier to maintain flow rate, temp stability, taste and clarity of espresso. Easy daily back flush tablet. Clean daily with one active decalcifying tablet. Follow your typical back flush regimen or machine manufacturer instructions. Essentials maintenance kit. Regular cleaning is needed to keep your machines in working. Maintain the optimal performance of your espresso machine with active cleaning tablets. These powerful, easy-to-use tablets ensure deep cleaning and descaling, removing stubborn coffee oils, residues, and mineral buildup that can affect the taste and functionality of your machine. Whether you have a home or professional espresso machine, these tablets work to restore efficiency and prolong the lifespan of your machine.